What's going on, traders? Here we go. We back with a new week. It's your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, coming at you with another episode of my trading recap. So let's see what we did today. Of course, it's Monday, so I want to go ahead and have a look at the market. I'm going to share my screen so we can see what it's looking like. And I had to zoom it out a little bit so we can get a bigger picture. And here's today in the market. You know, we got a little doji, small spinning top type candle. Not much buying, not much selling. Just holding still. We're still sideways, so we still in a sideways movement again until we break this. We're just sideways. We got to break through this to get back going where we want to go. I don't know that that's going to happen anytime soon, but at the same time, I'm not a predictor, so I'm just read the chart. The chart says this: we're in a sideways pattern. We got some higher lows going on here, and we'll have to just wait and see. I think the world is waiting on the vaccine for this this pandemic that we're in, and once something like that shakes out, maybe they'll start feeling a little more confident in where the economy can go. Because if you keep shutting down, reopening, it's just hard to consistently get the money flowing. So it's one of the big issues that we're facing at the moment. All right, what did I trade today? The first stock we're going to talk about today on my list was DPW. Okay, go ahead. Let me share my screen. Okay, so here is DPW, and here was my game plan. Stock is moving on news of new electric chargers for electric cars. I think it was like some home chargers, something like that. Has a first buy at $4.63, but we'll have to check price at the open. The next place to buy is at $4. Okay, so I'm a little mad at myself on this one. Although I did get to trade it, I psyched myself out. I was not trying this because I thought it was too close, but 4 was perfect, right? So 405, I had an order in at 405 at around this time, and it was so close to the MA that I got a little nervous and I canceled it. And then, of course, it bounces right off of 403 where I wanted it, from 403 up to like the 5-somethings. And then it came back. And so I said, okay, well, I'll play it off the MA. That did not work out because the MA, it didn't touch. It didn't get close enough. It looks like it entered here, but I did not get an entry. So I waited again, and I said, okay, well, I'll test. This time I said, I don't want to test it at 405 because it already did that. Let me catch the low of this candle. The low of this candle was 395. I put an order in at 398, and that time I got filled. So let's go to the 3-minute candle. Okay, right here. So came in here, these two little indecisive candles. I just held on. My stop was going to be here, and then it bounced. So I got in at 398. Got a good little bounce to the 20s, 420s. That's a great little play. That's a good 5%. Anywhere between 3 and 5% play. Which of course I'm looking for 3 to 5 nowadays. I don't have to look for the bigger plays anymore. I'll just take small profits and just keep letting them add up. My profit margin has gone up tremendously since I've started doing that. Okay, so that was DPW. So I missed a play, got a play. So at this point, we know I'm 1-0. The next stock we're going to talk about that I traded was TNXP. TNXP. Let me go ahead and share my. Okay, so here we go. TNXP. Stock is moving on COVID news. Has a buy at 103. So what I was looking at pre-market here was to buy this right here off of 102. 101 would have been fine, but I said I'm going to go a penny over the low of this candle, which was 102. Okay, and I was willing to catch it there. So I let this, when I saw this candle open, I was like, oh, okay, this thing is actually, if you saw it when I saw it, it was trying to move. Oh, sorry about that. It was trying to move up, and I was like, oh, okay, well, this candle moved up pretty high. I don't mind testing it off of the MA. And so what I did is I put an order in for 113. Let's go to the 3-minute. And you can see I got filled. Here's my line for 113 on the first candle. Pulled in, picked me up, okay? Played here for a second, and then boom, you see it went running. So this was a really good play. And later in the day, this thing, I seen it at 168 at one point. But you guys know me by now. If you don't know, I'm done by 9, which is noon East Coast time. I don't stick around past that because my best trades happen between 6:30 and 8:30, and I know that. So I stick around for the BS, if you will. So that was it, man. 2 plays. I tried to catch this again. Let me go back to the 15-minute. I put a second order right here, right here, but it didn't fill me. I put an order in for 112, didn't get the fill, which is crazy. So I canceled it, and then it dropped below. So I was like, oh, okay, well, let me put the 103 order back in, and then it bounced. So, that's how it goes. Oh, look, this thing got up to one. Wow, it's good. Pretty had a good day. This got up to basically shy of 190, 188-ish. So, yeah, and I had it down here. I'm not holding for this. I'm not hoping for any of this. I read the article on this one. It was the news I thought was BS. And usually when you read an article and you don't understand none of the words that they're using, they speaking to a small select few of people, which means that the majority of the people ain't gonna understand this stuff. That thing moved today probably because nothing else, because today was a slower day. Nothing else was moving like people wanted. They saw that was a mover, they bought it, okay, and it moved. Watch tomorrow. Watch tomorrow. If that thing doesn't hold the gains for tonight, it'll give it up by tomorrow. Okay, and if it's real, then tomorrow it'll be in the three. It'll go to $3 guaranteed. So it's just a matter of what happens tomorrow. Anyhow, that was my plays for the day. Just two. I saw 4 overall. Scared myself out of one. Didn't get filled on the other. All 4 of them would have won, but I'll take the 2 that I did get. There was some other stocks I was looking at, but I don't waste time on things that don't trigger. I don't have time to. You don't have time for me to be talking about something that might have been. We just talk about what happened. Okay. All right. Hey, I'll see you guys tomorrow. You guys enjoy your evening, your week, or your weekday, your start to the week. All right. And I'll catch you next time. See you later.